All right, so we're under the washer. This is a GE, and those bolts are 3/8 or 10 millimeters. Now, we need to gain access because you're probably experiencing your washer not spinning or spinning partially and stopping. So you might have a belt that is off, or you might have a broken or damaged speed sensor. So the speed sensor is between the motor and the pulley. So we're going to take a look at it and show you how to replace it. Guaranteed the belt is wrapped up and stuffed around here. In fact, the belt is totally destroyed, wrapped around the motor. Sensor looks like it's damaged as well. Doing is changing the sensor, which is this wire here, and it's connected to this. You're going to have a zip tie holding it. Now, to get to it, it helps to take off the pulley here so you have some room to work. Take this off, and we're actually going to take both of these pulleys off so you can actually see what I'm doing. And if you decide not to do that, at least you know how and what to do. So let's start with this pulley. It comes off. You just have to wiggle, and then it comes off. By the way, this is your splutch. If you're having problems with your washer going into wash or spin, sometimes you want to check, make sure the spring is working properly and that the splutch is doing its job. Now, you might need to hold this motor. Okay, now we can see. Sometimes you have a tab that stops it from being pushed. So if you do see that red tab, pull it out, and then you can press. See that? Just like that. Now hold on to that, because this will stop it from vibrating off in the future. So keep it there. When you're ready, you just push it back out. All right. Nothing crazy. You can get a small flat blade screwdriver, and you can pretty much just pry under here and pry this section up. And when you pry, you're going to be pushing back this way. There are two little clips under the left side here and here. You don't want to break those. Okay, so there they are, and those are the tabs that you're pushing against. I don't like to use anything in here to pry these because sometimes they get so brittle. So don't put anything in there. I mean, right here. If you do, be super gentle, because you can accidentally push too hard and boom, they just snap. So I like to just push from here and kind of just slide. So, but it's up to you. Either one is okay, but I've seen these when you push against them, they can snap. So I don't like to put any pressure. It will come up when you slide it. And of course, don't damage those tabs. Now, how do you put it on? Well, basically reverse order. You're gonna slide these under here, and then you push down. All right, there it is. And that's how that goes on. And nice and snug, make sure it doesn't fall off. See that? Done. And then you slowly slide back, and it's out. All right. So that's it. And then you make sure you put back your pulley, tighten them good, put some Loctite, and of course your motor. You put your pulley back on, make sure it's fully inserted, and always thread with your finger, with your hand first, and then you snug up so you don't damage your threads. Alright guys, thanks for watching.